What's up, amigos? Yeah, I'm back with a new video. I'm definitely talking this time. So, this is Tenughat, which is approximately 120 kilometers away from our hometown, Dhanbad. So, let's get started. Yeah, my amigos, Avik and Kunal, and of course, the ride for the day. Might look a little bit confused here, but don't worry, nothing serious. So we are heading towards picking, our fourth member. Yep, here he is. So please welcome Atish as well. And I think we are all set to go. Yeah, you can see those happy faces, But definitely there is something at the end for you guys. Alright. So we took the NH2 as usual from Dhaiya and we were heading straight towards Bagodar, from where we had to take a left turn and we would be going straight towards Gumia and then reaching our destination. So this is NH2 and we had to cross Rajganj, Topchanchi, then Isri, Tumri, and finally we reached Bagodar. So it took us around a lot of time because definitely it was because of me who was doing the vlogging and everything. So you get to see the aerial shots and everything, I hope you guys will enjoy this. And after that, we had to stop by and had to do a little bit of breakfast because we all started off very early in the morning. So, yeah, we are driving to a place, and in the background you can see that beautiful hill which is commonly known as Parashnath Hill. So yeah, post which we actually had our little breakfast and of course a cup of tea, which is always needed. And we were all set to go, and now since we were running late on time, so we had to drive a little bit faster, but then I would not recommend that to happen to anyone. So this is what I can say that how the part 1 ends. It's not the end of the video for sure, but yeah, this is where the part 1 ends and we straight away move towards Bagodar. So we reached Bagodar now, and from Bagodar we had to take a left turn, and as you can see the serenic beauty and everything, it was absolutely surreal. So yeah, Gumia was around 30 kilometers and Tenughat, which was 42 kilometers. So this is the market area where you would get everything that you want to have before visiting the Konar dam. So here it is. We are, the first dam of that particular arena, which is known as Konar Dam. It's not that big and the gates are definitely closed, but it was very beautiful, it was looking so gorgeous. And yeah, you can see the videos, you can understand a bit. And here we were standing, we took a little break here apparently, and we were in search of food because definitely it was very late for us. But yeah, we planned that we have to move ahead and we have to watch the whole thing first, and only then we can think of having our lunch. But that was a mistake kind of, but still it was a good thing. So staying there for around 15 minutes, we left that place and we moved ahead. And of course, as you can see, that this place, the trees, the greenery around, it was so surreal, it was so peaceful to watch. And there goes our car. Yeah, of course, it was very nice, it was very calm, it was very silent. The aerial shots were they were the best. But then we finally managed to reach the Tenughat. So this is the extended area of Tenughat, and this is the place where we exactly went. by a car, and as you can see, the roads are not looking that good, but still it's drivable. And until one point where we actually had to stop the car and we had to walk to reach our final destination, which was around 200 to 300 meters of walking distance. But it was very good, very, adventurous. Had a little bit time there sitting, and you can see the boats, the old vintage boats there. Of course, we did not think of rowing there, but still it was a good one. And you can see it's looking so pretty and so beautiful around. So yeah, this was the thing where we actually ended up, and we had to move ahead, and we were really very hungry, so we just left. So yeah, after walking back that 200 meters that we walked inside, we got into our car, we came out, and we started off from that particular journey. So you can see we were already on the road, which was a better one, and here we are feeling the breeze, the winter starting, and it was good. So of course we were traveling slowly because we had a little bit of time, and also we were quite hungry, so we found this stall there out of nowhere, and we just took a bite of those aloo tikkis and we left. So yeah, we actually took the Bokaro road, and we were supposed to come to Dhanbad via Bangalore and via Chas, that particular arena. But definitely we had to eat, so apparently we got this beautiful hotel there, which apparently was out of nowhere we could find it. And finally, food. After, you might have seen a lot of times that we were eating or something like that, but actually it was in the duration of 4 hours or maybe 2 hours. So it took us around 6 hours to travel to that place, because again, as I told you guys, that I was asking them to stop every now and then, taking videos, taking the drone shots. But yeah, now it was a time when we were just about 40 kilometers away, and we had to take a cup of tea, definitely, otherwise it's not at all refreshing for us. So taking the sips and everything, completing everything, having our stomach full, we were just 40 minutes away from our destination. And finally, this is our lovely Bankmore in Dhanbad, and post which we did not think of stopping there and eating something else, because we were already getting late. And of course, who misses the food home? Yeah, so we reached our home, and that's all. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So yeah, that's all. But please stay back for the behind the scenes. Of course, I was forced to do it, but you will have to see. Bye bye.
वेलकम टू माय व्लॉग। तू तो गोवा वाला फील ले रहा है भाई, ये तो आधा घंटा पहले जागा हुआ था। यहाँ ट्रिप प्लान हो रहा है, लौंडे अभी तक उठे नहीं है, कैसे चलेगा?
यही तो होता है।
जानने के लिए देखिए अगला एपिसोड। चीते की रफ्तार जैसी गाड़ी चलती हुई, नहीं सॉरी तब तो धीरे हो गया, कट टेक टू। कुणाल से इस जगह गाड़ी चलाते हुए तेनुघाट जाने के लिए गोवा वाला टी शर्ट पहने हुए हैं। भाई के पास सनरूफ भी है, लेकिन अभी बहुत सन है तो जा नहीं सकते। फिर कभी। ये है हमारा पेट्रोल पंप, 108 रुपये लीटर, नहीं भराना का डीजल वाला गाड़ी खरीदी है आप लोग।
डोंट यू थिंक ब्लॉगर की जगह रिपोर्टर ज्यादा लग रहा है?
हम नहीं है,
कोई लॉक ही नहीं खुलेगा।
उधर से उधर से।
और इसको घुमाते हुए इसके लिए 6-7 कुलचा खा लेंगे।
अजीब जानवर।
कर लियो ना कॉपी हमको ब्लैक पेन के।
कॉपी की है, हम तुमसे पहले हैं। वो वाला वीडियो देखा? सारा दुनिया कार्ब से दूर जा रहा है, पर इंडिया है जो कार्ब्स के ऊपर कार्ब्स लगा के खाता है। फोन आ गया, अरे नेटवर्क